ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. சிம்மராசி. மகா நக்ஷத்ர, பூர்வ பல்குனி நக்ஷத்ர and Uttara Phalguni nakshatra, first pada. Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the third nakshatra, which is the Uttarashadha nakshatra. This is the sixth place for both. Saturn and Jupiter are in the hidden sthanams. There are chances for unnecessary acute health problems until 12 months. Do not argue with family and friends unnecessarily. Give more importance to family members and make them happy. Be affectionate towards family members. Be careful in dealing with professional competitors. Magha Nakshatra, Simharasi. For people born in Magha Nakshatra, Jupiter and Saturn are in the third Nakshatra. There will be more outflow and less inflow of cash. Avoid unnecessary expenditures. Medical and legal expenses may occur. Health. Take good care of your health. Avoid consuming alcohol. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students are required to take notes of the lessons taught and study with concentration. This time is seen to be a little bit dull. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. There is a chance for a change of job. People might also expect a sudden transfer. Do meditation and yoga to avoid unnecessary mental stress and depression. Business. People involved in businesses like hardware, cement and stones, electrical and electronics will get good profit. Returns from share market is moderate. Be proactive. Agriculture. This time is seen to be fairly a good time for farmers. Court cases. Please be very patient and postpone the cases for 12 months. Fine arts. For people in the field of fine arts, they will see a moderate growth. Be very careful with friends. After 12 months, good improvement can be seen. House. This time is extremely favorable for buying new house and selling old house. Land. This time is favorable for buying and selling of land. Vehicle. Buying old or second-hand vehicles will be beneficial. However, after 12 months, it is advisable to buy new vehicle. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Magha Nakshatra should worship Lord Vinayaka, Kalabhairava and Anjaneya and seek their blessings for good fortune. Magha Nakshatra, Moola Mantra and Magha Nakshatra, Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Magha Nakshatra, Moola Mantram. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Mam Gam Krum. Magha Nakshatra Adhipaya Pitrubhyo Namaha. Magha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Maha Anaghaya Vidmahe Pitriya Devaya Dhimahi Tanno Maghav Prachodayat. Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, Simharasi. For people born in Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, Jupiter and Saturn are in the second Nakshatra. There will be a delay in success. Lot of traveling will be seen. Be patient and affectionate with family members. For those who are looking for marriage alliance, this is the right time for marriage and all its related talks will be successful. This period is fruitful and beneficial for transgenders as well. Health. Health aspects are good. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students will study well and get good marks in the upcoming examinations. Do yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Expect promotion only after 12 months. Until that, you will have to work with patience and dedication. Business. This time is extremely appropriate to expand your business. People involved in businesses like fruits and vegetables, textiles, electrical and electronics will get good profit. Be good with your customers. People involved in medical businesses will have a fair period. Returns from share market is moderate. Agriculture. Profit can be expected in harvesting fruits and vegetables while compared to other grains. Court cases. Please be extremely patient and postpone the court cases for 12 months. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see a gradual good growth. House. This time is favorable for buying old house. Land. It is extremely favorable time for buying land and selling of land with 75% success. Vehicle. Buying old or second-handed vehicles will be beneficial. However, after 12 months, it is advisable to buy new vehicle. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Purva Phalguni Nakshatra should worship Mahalakshmi, Mahavishnu and Mahabhairava and seek their blessings for good fortune. Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, Mula Mantra and Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, Mula Mantra. Vam Aim Hreem Shreem Sum Am Pham Purva Phalguni Nakshatra Adhipaya Aryamne Namaha. Purva Phalguni Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Aryamnaya Vidmahe Pashudehaya Dhimahe Tanno Purva Phalguni Prachodayat. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, first pada, Simha Rashi. For people born in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, first pada, Jupiter and Saturn are in the Anujanma Nakshatra. Friends and relatives in abroad will help you at difficult times. Your social status will increase. Relationship between men and women will be fair. Health. Take care of your health. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the mind and body fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Laziness is seen among students. Concentrate on studies with full dedication. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory and IQ. Work. Give respect to your superiors and do your work with complete sincerity. Expect promotion after 8 months. Business. Workforce will increase. Business will also yield good profit. People doing business related to real estate, share market and building construction will see good returns. Share market is moderate. Agriculture. This time is extremely good for farmers to harvest any crop. Court cases. Please be patient and postpone all the court cases for the next 8 months. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see a stable growth. But be careful with your competitors. House. After 6 months, the time is satisfactory for buying old house. Do not invest in buying new houses. Land. Time is favorable for buying land and selling. Vehicle. Buying old or second-hand vehicles will be beneficial. However, after 12 months, it is advisable to buy a new vehicle. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, first pada, should worship Lakshmi Nrasimha, Ayyappa and Veerabhadra and seek their blessings for good fortune. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Mula Mantra and Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Mula Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Vam Sram Mam Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Adhipaya Bhagaya Namaha. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Mahabhagayai Vidmahe Mahasreshthayai Dhimahe Tanna Uttara Phalguni Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.